Alright, let's try and remove what we got here. My metric set skips millimeters and therefore doesn't quite fit right. And so this fitting here, found my dad's old snap-on tool from 30 years ago. Good old days, made in America. And it's got the right size apparently. Yeah, it fits pretty well, right? But it's 11/16. Alright, let's see what we can do here. Kind of set this up. And there we go. Right. So, righty tighty, lefty loosey, right? Pretty simple. That's what needs to happen there. Okay. Then I gotta loosen this down here. Alright, let's get that going. And what size is it? Half inch. Really? It's 2014 and we're using American sizes? But hey, I bet you, oh, that's not too tight. Well, these tools are 20, 30 years old and they're working just great. They seem to last better than the new stuff. Okay. Okay, now we got that loosened. Let's get this just a little more. Okay. So is that how that works? This doesn't swivel. It's like the hose has to twist. Interesting. I didn't know that's how that worked. It's hydraulic hoses. This is all new to me. This thing's soaked. Is this really how it's supposed to go? I mean, come on, dudes. Maybe I have to unhook it from the other side first. Is that what I need to do? Now, the one I've loosened is this one back here, which is the one in the back. It's fabulous. So it's this one next to the 1B in the back. How am I supposed to get that off? Really? It's gonna be fun. Okay, now I got the manifold going. How do you take this apart? Big mystery of life. And right, so this is the hose that I was loosening, but it was twisting. How do I get it off? Right. Now, in the mount, I used a 1/2 inch for this here. Maybe we should just take this off. If that doesn't hurt or help. Okay. I see an O-ring. Why, maybe it's just what it is. I don't think I'm doing this right if this is how it's going. I really don't. Getting pretty far though with this thing. Just don't envision this being the right way to do it. There it is. It did come off. Okay, just need a little loop-de-loops there. Okay. And I have to kind of guess that this is the bad one. 3000 PSI flex. 4-star flex, 3000 AR. Okay. Alright, now I got that one. How do I get this part off? I have to move this out of the way, don't I? I mean, really. I mean, I can't get in there easy. Do I take this thing off? Maybe that's part of it. I gotta take this off. Alright, so hydraulic hose. So it's just 2 bolts here. Yeah, it looks like it. And just to show you, this is where the bolts are on the back side of this here. It's 9.5 inch. So that's what's going on there. Put you back here for the moment. Those. Okay, it's a good thing to have. Off. All right. Now we got more access. I still don't know how I'm going to get this one out, though. Anyway, here's your levers, forward, back, whoop. Oops. Anyway, there's these things are hanging up here too. I got a leaky hose over here somewhere. Still, shall we say. Some always got leaky hoses over here. Not on the other side, just on this side. I'm gonna try and move that one over. Okay, not too tight, that's good. See, just kind of get that out of the way a little bit. Alright, now we're doing good. I guess. Oh, I unleashed the wrong one. Not the right one. Yeah, it's the right one. It wasn't too hard. It wasn't too hard at all. Alright. Whoops. Hey, look, there's hydraulic fluid inside. What do you know? Right. So how do I know that this is the bad hose? I guess I could try and look for the damn leak. But, we'll figure it out. Suppose I could take that hose and just that hose and whoa, hey, this one's dirty over here. Try and do something with that. See if it's not the wrong one or the right one or whatever. Because the next one up is the front one. Really? Does that make sense, right? It probably makes sense for me to take both hoses and get them tested just to make sure we're okay. So I think I'm going to do that. From here, I got the darn thing basically mostly done, right? Wouldn't hurt to take both hoses. Alright, so there we go. And then this thing really needs to be tightened back in there, don't it? Okay, and this comes off easy enough, right? Then I gotta take it off the other side, which, come here, hose, come here, soaked hose. Maybe that's what I needed to do. Undo the other side, then I can bring it out here. So that's a lesson. If you undo it from here, then this can spin around over here much easier. That's the way to do it. And on this side, that's where you get your O-rings. See? Got an O-ring, and the hoses. Alright, time to go get these tested, checked out, see what's up. I'd love to fix whichever one's bad over here. I don't know if I have a bad hose or if I have just a little bit of a leak or something. It's a small leak, but there's a leak. Unless that dripped from this leak here, which is what I think actually happened. Alright. Time to clean up and go. Thanks for watching. We'll give the rewind on the back side. Actually, here, I'll show you. Here's the port. Doesn't really, can't really focus close, can I? There's the port, which is where the O-ring goes. And then here, these are the ones that come from the valves. Okay. Good deal. Actually, go this way. These are the ones that come from the valves. Cool. Thanks for watching.